welcome to Vlogtober. And I've noticed what in some of my videos there I said Vlogmas, so please just ignore that. So yeah, I'm on my way to the clinic for family planning. I'm hoping I don't get there late. Hoping I don't find a queue when I get there because I am going to faint. Okay, family planning, guys, and my date was last week, but they turned me back. They said they don't have doctor, so I'm hoping for the best today. I hope they do have it, because if we do not prevent, we are going to have kids, and we don't have money. Yeah, what I want. So this is my skincare routine, but okay, I'll just be real with you guys. It's not that I follow the skincare routine like every day. It's just enjoy one of those days where I feel like doing it. And I don't know, guys, is it me or I'm one of those people who don't like routine. I'm one of those people who don't like bathing in the bathroom. I don't know why. I just want to be in the bedroom, like in my own space, so that I can take my own time. Because when we're in the bathroom, people are just rushing you. They want to get in, they want to do this and that. So then I use this. I even forgot to mention I'm using Gentle Magic products. Then I go in with this. I don't even know where my cotton pads are, so I'll just do it with my hands. Like, I am feeling so demotivated today. Guys, I just miss waking up, going to my job. I miss all of that. You never know what you have until it's gone. I miss it so much. Like, this thing of waking up, cleaning, and now it's just because I'm home. I have to wake up, clean, make breakfast for people, clean after people. Plus, it's the school holidays. I have to babysit. I can't. I don't know what to do. Yesterday, I went to submit my CVs and all of that. So, I don't know. I'm just hoping for the best. Like, I'm not sure. And I'm not a person to choose care. when it comes to jobs. Like I take any job as long as I will get the money. I don't have this thing which no, I'm a graduate, I want what. I don't. Yes, I am so confused right now. I don't know whether I use this now, the serum, or I'm using this. Because Lana, the directions, it says Lana, spread the serum evenly over clean skin and massage gently. For best results, cleanse skin with Gentle Magic soap, which I did, and then lotion. I used a lotion, and then mask. Okay, I don't have the mask, and then well, prior to application, it doesn't say anything about this. I can see. I couldn't find the mask, the payam, so I just bought anything that I could find. Oh, guys, it has not even been a month, but I can feel the unemployment. I can feel. Now, for now, it's still better because I still have my salary from my last job, so I'm using it to apply, submit my CVs, and all of that. When that salary is gone, because as a new, it's about to go down. It's just so bad. I feel for people who've been at home for like years wanting to get a job. Yeah. Because there are people who don't mind staying at home, like they get everything from their families, you know. But I'm not one of those people. Like, I am not one of those people. We are not a well-off family. It's like we get allowances and whatnot. No. It's every man for himself. So bad. That's why I am just starting to stress now. Okay, let me take a bath and then we will catch up. Bye.